Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's dive into today's market story. After a 7-month low weekly fall, Indian markets saw a minor recovery today, primarily driven by energy stocks. The benchmark indices Nifty 50 and Sensex rebounded slightly, with BSE Sensex up 0.4% to 80,751 and NSE Nifty 50 rising 0.4% to 24,760. The Indian rupee remained nearly stable at 88.7 to 75 against the US dollar, despite potential foreign portfolio outflows and domestic dollar sales by state-run banks. Government bond yields are slightly up due to selling pressure following the revised borrowing plan, but offset by quarter-end buying. On a positive note, energy stocks led the way, with Oil India jumping 2.2% after reporting natural gas in its exploratory well. The broader small caps and mid caps rose about 0.7%. However, the fast-moving consumer goods index fell due to a 1.5% drop in Hindustan Unilever. In other news, Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, saw a 3.1% surge in shares to 408.15 rupees each, following reports that the Indian Army has tendered for 5 to 6 regiments of the Anant Shastra air defense missile system. This deal is projected to cost approximately 300 billion rupees and bolster the Army's air defense capabilities. As we approach the year's end, markets brace for a crucial quarter. The Fed is expected to announce another rate cut in October following a 7% rise this quarter, although a strong jobs report could complicate matters. Japan's Bank of Japan may hike interest rates in early October, potentially causing market turbulence. India faces a tough decision regarding interest rates due to economic challenges from US tariffs and visa fees, while Africa waits anxiously for news on the extension of their duty-free trade agreement with the US. The Chinese Communist Party's plenum is also scheduled for next month, along with IMF World Bank meetings and a UN climate summit. Investor sentiment remains subdued due to US tariffs and H-1B visa fee hikes, according to Abhishek Goenka, founder of Billions, who expects the Nifty to trade within a 24,500 to 25,000 range, with a modest weakening bias in the medium term. In conclusion, despite these fluctuations, it seems that markets are stabilizing as we approach the end of Q1. As always, stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more updates and insights on the market's movements.